Simple Mills almond flour pancake and waffle mix. There's 2 ways to make pancakes with it. The first way I make pancakes with this is not on the box. You just add a little bit of flour and a little bit of water. I have no measurement on how much. You just mix a little at a time. It's gotta be smooth and a little drippy, not too thick. I use log cabin syrup. It's not the healthiest syrup, but it has no high fructose. Soft inside, crispy edges, with a delicious sweet and nutty flavor. The second way to make these is 3/4 cups of the pancake mix, 1 egg. You can use 1.5 tablespoons of water or milk, and 1 tablespoon of oil. The measurements don't feel right. It's too thick, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water. It's gotta be pourable. It is a little dark, but who has not burnt no pancake? We all burn pancakes. I'm not gonna hide my burnt pancake. This is a real kitchen with real mistakes that will not be hidden. It's not that bad. The box says you can get 6 pancakes out of those measurements. I can only get 3. This is a 10-ounce box. I don't know about those directions, Simple Mills. I do taste the egg. It does taste great, but I like the way I made it the first time without the egg in it. It's still pretty good. Let's make some eggs. If you're looking for a healthy pancake mix, you should definitely give this a try. I've always used this in the past, But if you look at the ingredients, yeah. Compared to simple meals, all organic ingredients, 10-ounce box. They have so many healthy options. I'm gonna try the cake mix next.